Stop shopping until you disable this security risk. Every day, millions of people shop on their phones or laptops. A few taps, a quick checkout, and the order is placed. It's pretty convenient, fast, and usually safe. But there's one common setting and habit that can increase your risk when shopping online, especially if you frequently save payment details and use public networks. The good news, it only takes a minute to review and fix. So in this video, I'll show you what the risk is and why it matters. Let's get started. Firstly, online shopping itself is not inherently dangerous. Major retailers use encryption. The bigger risk comes from weak account security, safe payment info, and untrusted apps. The one setting that you should review is going to be automatic saving and autofill options. Okay, so over here, if I come over to my browser settings and I go over to my autofills, over here, you can see that I have a autofill payment method. Then I have different autofill addresses and informations right here. Now, what the issue is that some hacker, if they choose to go ahead and hack into my account or my software, what happens is autofill will give them all of my information. Okay, so these are things that you want to get rid of when you're shopping, because autofill, although it does save time, but it can become an issue later on. So, for that 10-second window that you're saving, I don't think the risk is as big as losing all of your accounts. So, yeah, just go ahead and remove all the autofills and you should be good to go and shop on easily from there. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.